and it's Mr. JB the Kid 123. So yeah, have you seen my other video about the knife? I found the shotgun, which was outside, and it was pouring outside. You see what I do for you people? So yeah, it looks kind of like a shotgun. No, I think I have it. No, it's good. So yeah, the trigger ripped off, unfortunately. So yeah, so trigger was supposed to be down here, but it ripped off. So yeah, pretty cool. It also looks like a mustache. So yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more sticks. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and bye!